Welcome to our Flash Adventure series. These 5-minute urban exploring videos will help get you through your busy day. Look at the spikes on this tree. Look at that. We're almost there. God, I hope we're almost there. Oh, I can see it. See it? Yeah. Oh man, I thought we were never gonna get there. You can see a gate that's no longer up. It's eerily quiet on this snowy day. This isn't the first time we've seen a house where when you walk in there's beams and kind of a bar set up. I actually remember another house that it was almost this exact same style. We'll head up there next. The back door. Nobody's been here for a while. Gotta love the green shag carpet. Over top of 2 different designs. 3 different designs of laminate flooring. So, we got shag carpet. We've got that color laminate, that design, that pattern. Then we have a white fleck with gold fleck laminate. Then we have a green plaid. Then we have a green, blue, and white plaid. It's quite a lot of layers. A bathtub. Definitely seen better days. Stairs intact. Just a water heater and a fuel tank. And some guy that likes to go on adventures. Windows are still intact, or the glass isn't. But the screen is. Ooh, and look. I'd love to know some more about the family that built this house. And why they left. My guess, a farmer probably bought the land, and the house came with it. Look at the original wallpaper color. Roses. And polka dots and a picket fence. I don't think there's an attic. Think about how many people looked out these windows, out at their fields. It's definitely not a big house, but it is a beautiful house with a lot of history. There is an attic, but I can smell it. There's a bird or something living up there. It reeks. So, let's check out the outside. See if we find anything else interesting. They remodeled and Just left the door there, sided over top of it. Here's a well. I'm glad it's covered. And again, I love those curved windows. With no other outbuildings, I guess it's that time. That time for us to make the long walk back to the car. But if you like this video, you like places like this, definitely subscribe. But only if we earned it.